from Canada says, what's the ruling on playing chess? Chess is an issue of dispute among scholars. Some scholars say that it is totally prohibited, and they narrate a hadith that Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, passed by people praying chess, and he said, "Ma hadhihi at-tamathil allati antum laha aakifun?" What are these idols that you are worshipping? This is being quoted from the Quran for those who were worshipping idols and not playing a game. So a lot of scholars said that this is haram on the basis that it wastes time and that it is not befitting of a Muslim to engage in such games, and there is a probability that one would miss the salat and a probability of gambling. And with all due respect, I believe that all of these justifications are not accurate. Everything nowadays can waste your time. So what's the ruling on screening your WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter? What's the ruling on taking a ride for 2-3 hours with the guys, with the boys, hanging out at cafes, drinking coffee, etc.? It's halal. But how do I define whether it's wasting time or not? If I'm not playing around and being distracted from my obligations, I'm doing my prayer on time, I'm doing my obligations towards my parents, my wife, my children, my work, my studies, and I have free time and I would like to waste it and entertain myself in halal means, what's wrong in that? My prayer is done in the masjid, no problem. There's no gambling, there's no swearing. So some scholars said that it is haram. Other scholars said that it is totally permissible because it makes you think, it makes you strategize, and it is something beneficial for your brain, providing that the conditions are fulfilled. Your prayer is done on time, there's no gambling, there's no swearing, there's no cheating, you're not being distracted from your obligations. And the night when you play chess, I think it's on the format of a horse. And this is a statue. It has to be covered because this is totally haram to have. This is a statue, a 3D statue of a horse. So you break the head of the knight or put a helmet on it, whatever, it's a knight after all. Do something, and I think there's nothing wrong in doing it for half an hour a day for those who are focused on doing their obligations and need time out to entertain themselves.